Apple's most underrated iPhone might be getting its biggest glow-up yet. Last year, Apple quietly reshaped its lineup by introducing the iPhone 16e, a new entry-level model that replaced the old SE philosophy with something far more modern. And now, just a year later, all signs point to Apple doubling down on that strategy with the iPhone 17e. If the leaks are accurate, this won't be a minor refresh. This could be the moment where Apple's most affordable iPhone finally starts feeling truly next-gen. As expected, the biggest upgrade begins under the hood. The iPhone 17e is rumored to jump from the A18 chip to Apple's brand new A19 processor. Built on TSMC's third-generation 3nm process, known as N3P, the A19 is said to deliver around 5 to 10% CPU performance boost over the previous generation. That might not sound massive on paper, but Apple's efficiency gains are often just as important as raw speed. In real-world use, that means smoother animations, better sustained performance, and improved battery efficiency, especially for a phone aimed at everyday users. On the design side, Apple appears to be closing the gap between its budget and premium models even further. According to reports, the iPhone 17e will feature thinner bezels compared to the iPhone 16e, while sticking to the familiar 6.1-inch display size. It still won't get ProMotion or always-on display features, but visually it should feel far more modern. Apple has now standardized ultra-thin bezels across the entire iPhone 17 lineup, and the 17e looks set to follow that trend. One of the most exciting rumors is the possible arrival of the dynamic island on the iPhone 17e. The iPhone 16e still relies on the classic notch, but if this upgrade happens, it would officially mark the end of the notch across Apple's iPhone lineup. That alone would be a huge perception shift, making the 17e feel far more premium than its price suggests. Camera upgrades could be another surprise highlight. Apple introduced a brand new 18-megapixel selfie camera across the iPhone 17 lineup, featuring a square sensor with center stage capabilities. This allows the camera to intelligently crop for both portrait and landscape selfies without rotating the phone. It can also track faces and automatically widen the frame when another person enters the shot. According to analyst reports, this same selfie camera could make its way to the iPhone 17e, which would be a massive leap forward for video calls, vlogging, and social media content on Apple's most affordable model. Charging may also see a long-awaited upgrade. The iPhone 17e is rumored to finally support MagSafe, something the 16e completely lacks. Currently, the 16e tops out at 7.5 watts Qi wireless charging. With MagSafe, the 17e would likely jump to 15 watts wireless charging, unlocking Apple's entire ecosystem of magnetic accessories stands, wallets, battery packs, and car mounts. While it probably won't support the fastest Qi 2.2 speeds, MagSafe alone would be a game changer. As for the launch, Apple could unveil the iPhone 17e as early as February, following last year's timeline. Pricing is expected to remain at $599, and there's even hope that Apple might bump the base storage to 256 gigabytes, matching the rest of the iPhone 17 lineup. If these rumors turn out to be true, the iPhone 17e could redefine what an affordable iPhone really means in 2026. With a next-gen A19 chip, a more modern front design, potential dynamic island support, improved selfie camera features, and long-awaited MagSafe compatibility, Apple appears to be closing the gap between its budget and flagship models more than ever before. At a rumored $599 price point, the iPhone 17e wouldn't just be a cheaper iPhone. It could be the smartest choice for most users who want performance, longevity, and a truly modern iPhone experience without paying pro-level prices. So what do you guys think about the iPhone 17e? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below, and as always, I will see you guys in my next video.